Hi, welcome to my channel, Fitness in 5. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Natalie. I am a personal trainer, a nutritionist, and I'm also a military instructor. Anybody heard of Be Military Fit?
Race through it! It's a puddle!
It's awesome. This session today is going to be about using household items that you have got at home that you can do a 45-minute workout with. The items that I've got in front of me is a rucksack filled with heavy stuff. 5-litre water bottle. You can use a gallon if you prefer. It's completely up to you. I have 2 of them. Paper plates. You might have them at home, you might not. But if you don't, go and get some. They're only 50p, doesn't cost a lot. A book, a very heavy book. In my case, it's the 20th century art book. So, filled with lots of art. What we're going to focus on is 3 exercises for the upper body, 3 exercises for the abs, and 3 exercises for the legs. Warm up, 3 sets of 1 minute. First exercise.
Squats.
Followed by.
Pulsing squats.
Followed by.
Second lunge with a twist. Lunge.
First exercise, kettlebell swing with our water bottle. Make sure you get one with a handle. So if you've done a kettlebell swing before, it's very similar. So get into a seated position. You want to bring the water bottle forwards and down as you're bending. Your second exercise is going to be with the water bottle again, keeping it close to your body. You're going to come down for a squat and up. Squat and up. 3 sets of 10. Your third exercise for legs, you're going to need your bag. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this one is empty. Don't use an empty bag because it's besides the point. You want to fill it with bricks, water bottles, tins from the kitchen, anything that's going to give this some weight. Paper plates are also needed for this next exercise. This helps you with your lunging. So, you're going to place them on the floor, one at a time. You're going to lunge back. Come in, lunge back. Come on in, lunge back. So each rep, that's half a rep, that's 1 rep. Shoulders are next. So this is when both of these come in quite handy. You can do 1 at a time, or you can do both at the same time. It will save you a little bit of time in the long run. You want to hold the handles behind the back of your shoulders. You want to squat down and push up. Bring it back down, squat, push up. Second exercise for your shoulders, you want to hold the water bottle to its side, hold it out.
Squat. Squat.
Biceps, nice and simple, just curling the weights back and forth. Remember, 3 sets of 10. Triceps, you're going to do a tricep extension. Get the water bottle behind your head and push up. Another tricep exercise that you can do is a tricep dip. You can use a coffee table, you can use a chair, you can use a sofa, you can use anything. What we're going to do is we're going to keep our legs straight out, body straight, coming all the way down, hovering above the floor and back up. If you can't quite manage the full range of motion, you can bend your knees just to make it a little bit easier. This is where your book comes in handy. So the first exercise we're going to do is a Russian twist. Instead of using a weight, as I said before, heavy weighted book, it's up to you if you want to use Shakespeare or not. You're going to twist all the way around for 3 sets of 10. Your second exercise, going to lie on your back, legs straight, book above your head, and you're going to bring the book to your feet and back down. Do not let your legs or feet or hands, for that matter, touch the ground. Your last ab exercise is going to require a pillow from the sofa and the book. So you want to place your pillow on the ground, kneel on the pillow, grab onto the book, and push forwards, leaving your bum in the air and pulling it back in. It's like a rolling plank, but with a book. Going all the way down and back up. Thanks for joining us on Fitness in 5. Frankie was of great help, weren't you? Yes, you're so cute. He's so cute, isn't he? So I will be doing additional videos on health and fitness, particularly in nutrition, more exercises and different types of workouts. So definitely stay tuned. See you soon.